What's up, everybody? Welcome back. You're probably wondering what this video is about. Now, I'm gonna tell you that we need Bubbles VR to get his million subscriber play button. Why, you may ask? Because he hasn't gotten it yet. He hit million subscribers like a few days ago, and he needs it. Kermit wants him to get it. Also, that's his name. Yes, that's his name, Kermit. And also, he's in my new logo. But please, Kermit wants it. Please, YouTube, give him the play button. Please, I'm begging you. Subscribe.